Hello students, today we are going to see subject English grammar. Today's topic is number of nouns and pronouns. Person, place, animal, thing. Students, noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. Right? Here you can see a boy, one boy. Here you can see boys, more than one boys, right? Here you can see shop, one shop, and here you can see many shops. Here you can see a dog, one dog, and here you can see many dogs, right? Here you can see pencil, one pencil. And here you can see many pencils are there, right? So student, one person, one place, one animal, one thing is singular noun. And many person, many places, many animals, many things are there. That one is called plural noun. Okay? Here some rules are there to convert a singular into plural. Let's see rules 1. Adding s. Tree. Here you can see one tree. It's a tree. And for many trees, here you can see many trees, right? So to convert a tree into trees, we have to put s. Okay? Ball. Here you can see one ball. It's a singular. Now to convert this ball into plural, we have to put at last balls. Ball means one ball and balls means many balls, more than one. So it's a singular and this is plural. Cow. Here you can see cow, one cow, right? Now to convert this cow into plural, it will become cows. Here you can see many cows are there, right? So at last you have to put s to convert singular into plural. I. Here you can see I, one eye, it's a singular. Now here eyes. At last you have to put s to convert a singular into plural, more than one. Bird. Bird means one bird, right? Now here birds. To convert a bird into birds. Bird means one bird and birds means many birds are there. So you have to put at last s to convert a singular into plural. Kite. Kite means one kite. And to convert this kite into many kites, we have to put at last s. Okay? So some noun you have to put at last s to convert a singular into plural. Let's see rule 2. Noun ending in s, double s, x, ch, sh form the plural by adding es. Let's see some example. Bus. Student, here you can see at last s is there. S. Okay, now to convert this bus into plural. Bus means one bus. It's a singular. To convert this bus into plural, we have to add at last es. Okay, buses. Here you can see noun ending s means any spelling at last s, double s, x, ch, sh comes on that time, we have to add es at last to convert singular into plural. Okay, bus means one bus and buses means many bus. Okay, glass. You can see glass means one glass. At last double S is there. Okay. So to convert these glass into plural, we have to put at last es, glasses. Glass means one glass and glasses means many glasses. Okay. Box, at last X come. Box means one box. Now to convert this box into plural, we have to put at last es, boxes. Bench, at last you can see ch. So to convert this bench into plural, we have to put at last es, benches. Okay, bench means one bench and benches means many bench. Brush, at last sh. So to convert this brush into plural, we have to put at last es. So it will become brushes. Okay. If noun ending in s, double s, x, ch, sh, we have to add es to convert singular into plural. So students, noun that end in a hissing sound, ch, double s, sh and x, form their plurals by adding es to the singulars, like bus, glass, box, bench, brush. At last hissing sound is there. Okay, on that time we have to add es to convert singular into plural. Okay. Now let's see rule 3. Some noun ending in o form their plurals by adding es. Let's see some example. Tomato. Here at last o come. Tomato means one tomato. Now to convert this tomato into plural, we have to put at last es. It becomes tomatoes. Okay. Some noun ending in o. Okay. Some noun ending in o form their plural by adding es. We have to put es at last to convert singular into plural. Mango. At last you can see o is there. Mango means one mango. So what it will come? Mangoes. At last we have to put es. Mangoes means many mango. Okay. At last we have to put es. Potato. And potatoes. At last we have to put es. Hero. At last o is there. Hero means one hero. And if we want to convert the singular into plural, we have to put at last es. Heroes. Okay, heroes means many hero. Buffalo. Here also you can see at last o is there. So to convert this singular into plural, we have to add at last es. Buffaloes. Okay. So students, if at last o come, on that time we have to put es to convert singular into plural. Okay. Let's see rule 4. Some noun ending in f or fe take ves in place of f and fe to form the plural. Let's see some example. Live. At last what there? F there, right? Now to convert this live into plural, we have to cut f, take out f and add VES, lives. Okay, leaf means one, singular, and lives means many. It's a plural. So at last F is there. On that time we have to cut F and we have to add VES to convert singular into plural. Leaf, lives. Here you can see wolf. At last F is there. So to convert this wolf into plural, we have to cut F and we have to add VES, wolves. Okay, wolf, wolves. Now see, knife. At last FE. On that time also we will cut FE and we will add VES to convert it into plural. Knife, knives. Wife. At last FE is there, right? Now to convert this wife word into plural, we have to cut FE and we have to add VES. Wives. Okay, so students, if at the end F or FE comes, on that time we have to cut F and FE and we have to put VES to convert singular into plural. Okay, let's see rule 5. Some noun ending in consonant plus Y takes IES in place of Y to form the plural. Let's see some example. Army. Here you can see at last Y is there, right? And before Y consonant M. M is consonant, right? If at last Y is there and before that consonant is there, so here also we have to cut Y and we have to put IES, armies. To convert singular into plural, we have to cut Y and we have to put IES. But here rule is before Y it should be consonant. Okay. Body. At last Y is there, right? But before Y, D. The. That one is a consonant. Right? So here to convert this body into plural, we have to cut Y and we will write here IES, bodies. Okay. Country. At last Y is there. Before Y you can see R. It's a consonant. So to convert this country into plural, we have to cut a Y and we will add IES, countries. Okay. Story. At last Y is there and before Y consonant is there. So to convert this story into plural, we have to cut Y and we will write IES in place of Y. It will become stories. Okay. So students, at last Y is there and before Y consonant is there. On that time we will cut Y and we will write IES to convert singular into plural. Okay. Lady. At last Y is there. Lady means one. Singular itself. Now to convert this lady into plural. But before that you have to see before Y you can see here consonant. So what it will come? Ladies. We have to cut Y and we have to add IES. Okay. Understood students? Let's see rule 6. If Y comes after a vowel, then only S added to the singular. Let's see some example. Monkey. Now students, You can see at last Y. Okay, and before Y, what is there? E. E is a vowel, right? Monkey means one monkey, and to convert this monkey into plural, we have to put at last S. Monkey, monkeys. Why S will come? Because before Y, E is there, and E is vowel. So before Y, vowel word is there, vowel letter is there. On that time, we will put at last S to convert singular into plural. Okay. Essay. You can see at last Y. But before Y, what is there? A. A letter. A is vowel. Right? Now convert this essay into plural. What we will do? We will write at last S. Essay, essays. Okay? Way. At last you can see Y. And before Y, A is there. So to convert this way into plural, we will put at last S. Ways. Okay? Holiday. At last we can see Y, and before that A is there. A is vowel. So to convert this holiday into plural, we will put at last S. Holidays. Okay? Ray. At last you can see Y, and before Y, vowel is there. So to convert this ray into plural, we will put at last S. Rays. Okay? If at last Y is there and before that vowel is there, we will put S. And at last Y is there and before that consonant is there, we will cut Y and we will put IES. Okay? And here you can see at last Y is there and before that vowel is there. So we will put at last S to convert singular into plural. Let's see rule 7. Some noun change their spelling to form the plural. Let's see some example. Man. Man means one man. Man means many men. Here you can see spelling is changed. M-A-N. Man means one man. And man means many. Okay. Foot. You can see here foot. To convert this into plural, it will become fit. Spelling is totally changed. Tooth. Convert this tooth into plural. It will become teeth. Child. Convert this child into plural. It will become children. Mouse. Mouse will become mice. Okay, so some noun change their spelling to form the plural. Okay. Let's see some example. You have to convert this sentence into plural. One number, the table is broken. Now convert this sentence into plural. Here you can see table. Here you have to see noun. Table is noun. Name of thing. Now convert this into plural. The tables are broken. Here you can see table. One is there, so here we will write is. And many are there, so we will write here are. Here helping verb will change. Okay. The tables are broken. 2 number, the boy was flying kite. Here you can see boy and kite. These two are noun. Now this convert this sentence into plural. The boys were flying kites. Right? Boy will become boys. One boy is there, that's why we are writing was. But many boys are there, that's why we are writing were. And kite will become kites. Okay. The child is eating sandwich. Here you can see noun child and sandwich. Now convert this sentence into plural. The children are eating sandwiches. Here you can see child will become children right? Here child is one, so we have written here is, but children are plural, so we will write here are, and sandwich will become sandwiches. Why? Because at last you can see ch. So to convert this sandwich into sandwiches, we have to add es. Okay. The man is reading a story. Convert this sentence into plural. The man are reading stories. Here you can see man spelling will change. Man, man means one man. And me and man are plural, many. So here the men are reading stories. Here you can see at last Y is there, right? And before Y, consonant is there. And if consonant is there, on that time we will cut Y and we will add IES. Okay, story will become stories. The girl is writing a letter. Convert this sentence into plural. Here you can see girl, letter. These two are noun. Right? Now convert this sentence into plural. The girls are writing letters. Right? Thank you.